Neighborhood Health Watch is sponsored by the doctors of HCA Virginia.
Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, and if you ever have to undergo heart surgery, it can be risky. But a new technique is making the surgery less invasive and cutting down on recovery times. Dr. Chiwon Hahn from Cardiothoracic Surgical Associates and Henrico Doctors Hospitals is here to talk about that. This procedure involves small incisions, but talk to us about what it means in terms of what doctors actually do. What are the specifics of this technique?
Well, Diane, when most people think of heart surgery, they think of a large incision in the chest. They think of a prolonged postoperative course, a long hospital stay and pain. But over the past few years, these minimally invasive techniques have come to heart surgery, and really not only are the incisions smaller, but the recovery can be much quicker and less painful for patients.
How risky is this procedure? Just like open surgery, it still involves stopping the heart temporarily. Is that something people ought to be concerned about with this type surgery?
Well, that's a great question. I think the term minimally invasive is somewhat of a misnomer. It should really be called small incision surgery. Many times it's the same operation being done through a smaller incision. So it's very important for your viewers to ask their surgeon, is this actually safer or just more cosmetic?
Now, there are many different types. I did a little research before our interview, and there are many different types. I won't ask you to name all the types, but when is a patient a good candidate for this?
It really depends on whether we're talking about a valve operation, a valve repair, or valve replacement, whether it's bypass surgery or even surgery for some irregular heart rhythms. So it really, sometimes patients are too sick for regular surgery, or they're very healthy and are candidates for these minimally invasive techniques. So it really depends on the particular patient.
And quickly, two advantages.
Quicker recovery and cosmetics.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome.